NASA's Artemis II is on the launch pad, but while we look at the moon, something is falling back to Earth that should terrify you. In January 2026, scientists discovered that thousands of falling satellites aren't just burning up. They are vaporizing into toxic metals like aluminum and lithium. As these metals seed the clouds, our rain is becoming a chemical cocktail. It's not just water anymore. It's a satellite soup that could poison our soil and water for generations. By the end of 2026, 100,000 more satellites will be in orbit. Every one of them is a ticking chemical bomb waiting to fall into your backyard. Is our progress in space killing our life on Earth? Type RAIN if you've noticed the sky looks different lately.